was nothing here when I started running over here. Oh no! I tried right as I pulled my stratagems up to get you. Oh my!
Okay.
And then
that Hive Lord straight up squashed my ass.
Yeah, and then it got me too.
It's okay. I got another little nug grounded up here.
Either I've become like totally desensitized to this game, or is this just like? Never mind.
Nah, bro.
The Hive Lord spawned right on me.
I was gonna say, like, up until now, like, it seemed like it really didn't seem like level 10. Like, this doesn't seem much different from like a suicide mission. You know what I mean? Like,
I didn't
like
have I didn't have enough shit to affect the Hive Lord. So like, I want a mech, cause like, I'm more comfortable in a mech doing that.
Yeah, I feel like if
I've
all
seen
brought
like
a
that's
mech,
the
that
way to
would
do it. That's what I'm saying. Like I've seen that's
you're
the way
kind of
to
right.
do it.
After playing a mission, if we all brought a mech, I don't think I'd need to bring the extra reinforcements.
Yeah. We just have to make sure to stay out of each other's way to not blow each other up. If that makes enough sense to everybody.
Yeah. Oh, check for rare samples too, because occasionally there's a few rare samples in the extraction on these maps.
You guys are really quiet, Spiral and Skull.
I've been talking. Can you hear?
Maybe because you're doing enough talking for all of us.
You're a little quiet.
Oh, I am in real life too.
Oh, get to the extraction. It's gonna be there in 4 seconds.
Maybe I need to turn my sound effects and stuff down low too.
Did I disconnect? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You're moving.
Not here.
This is Pelican 1, preparing for touchdown.
Yeah, he's like, I got you, bro.
You're in the team right now.
Yeah, that's
fucking Rambo over here.
This is the first time that 2 of us have done this. I appreciate you guys being so chill, by the way.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
You know what, I'm gonna start telling you to fuck yourself more often now.
I mean, I just might if you hear my mic go real quiet.